Paano magsimula mag-workout? Siguro ang goal mo ay pumayat o kaya tumaba. Karamihan sa atin ang goal ay magpaganda ng katawan. Pero pwede rin ito for health reasons dahil ang exercise ay nakakababa ng cholesterol, it improves blood circulation, at maganda rin ito for mental health. Ano man ang purpose mo sa pag-workout, mas maganda kung magsisimula tayo ng tama para ma-achieve natin ang goal natin. Ito yung mga tips kung paano magsimulang mag-workout. Tip number 1 ay mag-start ka muna sa compound exercises without equipment or just using your own body weight. Ito ang magsisilbing foundation mo sa iyong fitness journey. Ang compound exercises ay nagtatarget ng iba't ibang muscle groups sa katawan natin like arms, legs, abs, back, shoulders, and glutes. Ito yung mga basic exercises like squats, lunges, jumping jacks, push-ups. These exercises will improve both your endurance and strength, helping you not only burn calories but make you stronger and fitter as well. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo lang ma-achieve ang weight goals mo, gaganda pa ang katawan mo. Kapag master mo na ang proper form and execution ng mga basic compound exercises na yan, mas madali mo na magagawa ang mga harder moves with or without equipment. With that, I invite you to follow my beginner workout routines using compound exercises from my YouTube channel tulad ng mga videos na ito. Tip number 2, continuously challenge yourself. Kung feeling mo kayang-kaya mo nang gawin ang isang workout routine effortlessly at hindi ka na nahihirapan or na-challenge, it's time for you to start a more challenging workout routine. Kung nag-start ka sa mga standing exercises, itry mo naman yung mga floor-based exercises. Huwag ka lang puro standing routines dahil may mga specific muscle groups na natatarget ang floor-based exercises na hindi nagagawa ng mga standing routines. So what will happen if you only do beginner exercises? You will always be a beginner, hindi ka lalakas, at hindi mag-i-improve ang physique mo. And most likely, you will experience weight loss plateau. Especially kung paulit-ulit na lang na isang exercise lang yung ginagawa mo. Switch up your routines every 4 to 6 weeks. And once sanay ka na sa mga bodyweight exercises, you can now try using weights and other forms of cardio moves. Weights can help you gain muscle and improve your strength, and cardio can help you burn calories and improve your endurance. Tip number 3, start with what you have. No gym, no problem. Ako personally guys, I have never paid for any gym membership sa buhay ko. Sa bahay lang talaga ako nag-workout. Mas prefer ko talaga mag-workout dito sa bahay kasi mas komportable ako. That is also one of the reasons why I started this home workout YouTube channel para sa mga katulad ko na mas prefer mag-workout sa bahay. Kasi pwede naman talagang ma-achieve ang fitness goals natin even at home. Actually, recently lang ako nakapag-try mag-gym nung lumipat ako dito sa condo kasi merong gym sa baba. And mostly, bodyweight exercises pa rin yung ginagawa ko doon with minimal equipment. Siguro yung mga dumbbells ginagamit ko, pero pwede naman din yun sa bahay, di ba? Tapos, treadmill, ang katumbas naman nun ay jogging, which was also one of my go-to cardio exercises even before. The point is, do not let the lack of equipment or apparel stop you from working toward your fitness goals. Tip number 4, kung gusto mong maging mas effective ang workouts mo, follow and stick to a workout plan for at least 1 month before you switch or change your routine. Pwede ka mag-create ng sarili mong workout routine or schedule, or pwede mo rin i-follow yung mga monthly workout plans na pinupost ko sa Facebook page natin every month. So, i-follow nyo na rin ako doon kung hindi pa. If you want to create your own workout routine but don't know how to start, I invite you to take my online course called How to Start Your Fitness Journey and Maintain a Fit Body for Life. Ang haba ng title, no? For short, ang title niya is Sana All Sexy. It is a self-paced online course that you can watch anytime you are free. Parang cheaper alternative na rin siya sa coaching. Sa gym membership kasi, di ba, you pay for a fee every month. At least dito, one-time payment lang, tapos meron tayo 1-year access or lifetime access. Dito sa online course na to, naka-address yung mga frequently asked questions or concerns about diet and workout. So, lahat ng knowledge ko about nutrition and fitness ay nilagay ko dyan. I poured my heart out onto it para maging fully equipped kayo sa inyong fitness journey. So, if you're interested to enroll, check mo lang yung link dyan sa description box. So, comment down below kung decided ka na mag-start mag-workout or nakapag-start ka na mag-workout. And that's it for this video. As always, stay fit and stay healthy.